This is one of the first brine recipes that I started using. It's actually, anybody out there interested in doing competition barbecue, this is the exact brine recipe that I use when I'm out there competing on the circuit cooking barbecue. But it's really, really simple, and it's gonna be water, salt, sugar, mirepoix, which is a fancy word for carrots, onions, and celery, some fresh herbs, some whole black peppercorns, and some bay leaves. And with this recipe, we wanna make it at least 24 hours in advance so these flavors develop. It's not a cooked brine at all, so it's gonna be through that soaking that the flavors actually release. So we'll start with some kosher salt. Just plain granulated sugar. If you wanted to, you could bring in brown sugar, add a little bit of complexity. The bigger the cut of meat, the longer we're gonna brine it. The smaller the cut of meat, the less time we're gonna brine it. And I'm just gonna stir this until the salt and the sugar starts to dissolve. Then I'll add all my aromatics. A lot of people think about grilling in the summer. For me, grilling and smoking it goes through all 4 seasons. So anyways, we've got the water, the salt, the sugar. Now we're gonna add the mirepoix. So here's some yellow onion. And as I was saying, we're not cooking this. So it's gotta soak. You know, these flavors need to come out. Got some carrots, some celery. What's it called? Mirepoix. Got some peppercorns, a few bay leaves. I'm just gonna take this fresh thyme and bruise it up a little bit, and it's just going in there. The parsley, just gonna tear it. Can y'all smell that? We're just gonna pop a lid on this. Put it in the refrigerator, let it soak for 24 to 48 hours. Anyways, there you go. My chicken brine. Any competition cooks out there, that's exactly what I do on the circuit.